Hi everyone, this is Rosana at rosanamod, and I'm going to show you how to clear your cache in very easy steps and very quickly. Okay, first of all, you are on your desktop. This is for Windows, and you left click on the search at the bottom of the screen, and you're going to type in Control Panel. Then you can either left click on it, or you can just hit enter on your keyboard. Once you did that, you're going to be in the control panel and look for internet options, which I have over here on the left hand side. Left click, window pops up, internet properties. This is where you delete, and make sure that this box right here under browsing history is checked off. That's delete browsing history on exit. So delete that. Another one pops up like magic, and all of these things should be checked off. This one is not for me because I like to keep some of my passwords on some of my sites automatically in there so that I don't have to remember. Totally up to you. Click delete, and here's where it starts erasing everything. You see how quick that was? That's because I just deleted my cache. Now if that kept spinning green like that, then that means you have a lot of junk in here that it was cleaning out. And also keep in mind that this deletes all of your browsing history, so if you hadn't cleared your cache in a while and then you came in here to clean it and it did it really fast like this, then that means someone else might have cleared it for you. So just keep that in mind. Cover this out, and we are done. Look at that. Wow. Where's my trophy? Okay, that's it. It is late, and I'm up doing these little videos for you guys because I know that I'm way behind. Click like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you very soon. Ciao.